In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw trend lines in the Binance mobile app. If you're trading on the go using a mobile device, having a clear visual representation of market trends is crucial. And that's where trend lines come in, helping you identify potential support and resistance levels, and making your trading decisions more informed and strategic. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the process of drawing these essential lines in the Binance mobile app. First, you'll need to open up your Binance app. Now keep in mind, accessing the trade features is your primary goal here. So head over to the trade section of the app and tap on any trading pair that you're interested in. This action will bring up the specific chart you'd like to analyze. Whether you're looking into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other asset, ensure you've selected the right pair to avoid any confusion later on. Once your chart is displayed, you want to maximize your workspace. Tap directly on the chart area and it will expand into full screen mode. This step is quite helpful because it eliminates distractions and offers you a clearer view of the price movements, making it easier to pinpoint exactly where your trend lines should go. Next, to begin the drawing process, look for the pencil icon or the chart tools icon located on the screen. Give it a tap. This will bring up a handy tools menu packed with different drawing options to choose from. Here, our goal is specific. You need to select trend line from this menu. It's specifically designed for drawing straight lines that track the general direction of the market movement, a critical skill every trader needs to master. Now with the trend line option selected, it's time to draw. Simply tap and hold anywhere on the chart, then drag your finger to create your trend line. It might take a bit of practice to get the line right where you want it, so don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. The line serves to connect two or more major points on the graph, reflecting the market's direction over a given period. If you need to make adjustments to your trend line, or perhaps you made an error and wish to delete it, no worries. You can easily do this by tapping on the trend line again. You'll be presented with options to modify its position or remove it altogether, ensuring your chart remains clean and up to date with your latest analyses. And there you have it, you've now successfully drawn a trend line using your Binance mobile app. Mastering this simple yet powerful tool will help you make more informed trading decisions and better anticipate market movements. Thanks for watching and happy trading.